Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will create this.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
Your image. Once you have selected your image, go to Effect, move to Effect, then go to Color Replace. In Colors, go to Color Replace, choose a color you would like to replace. Okay, let's change the color. So as you can see, we have changed the color. You can still change it to another color. So to see, let's change it to a green color. Okay, and let's press erase. Let's go back here and erase this part. But you can still leave it like that. Okay guys, press OK. Okay, so as you can see, we have successfully changed the color. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.